Okay, we made it to the McDonald's in Peely. We are going to try McDonald's spaghetti. Also, this place has the best view of the volcano in the entire surrounding area. Wow, it's insane. Holy Lord.
You ready to hike it?
Yeah, let's go right now, dude. So, I personally really want to try the spaghetti because I've never had McDonald's spaghetti.
Personally, I think that's a horrible idea, but you do you, man.
I don't know. You gonna try it?
I will if you will. But also, JB said he'd eat it with us.
Yeah, I heard him.
I didn't say that,
You'll
but
try the spaghetti with us, right?
Got it,
Yeah,
sure.
because you know. JB's too scared to get the spaghetti, but he gets what?
I'm gonna get the mushroom pepper steak with the gravy, the McGravy,
And rice.
and rice.
From McDonald's. What do you get?
Yeah, I get the nuggets. Six
You
count.
can't go wrong with that.
Yeah.
Are they the same?
Yeah, they're the same,
Same.
for sure.
It's not like it's a real chicken anyway.
You know-
I'm gonna get a Big Mac as a like, if the spaghetti's not good, then I still have a Big Mac.
I think that's a solid plan.
Yeah.
With the spaghetti, I would expect disappointment.
We're gonna find out. All right, I want to get the solo McSpaghetti, a Big Mac meal.
Solo McSpaghetti, sir, and solo Big Mac, sir.
Yeah. Math has been done, baby. Written down, math done. 331 pesos, which is $6 US. But I got 2 things and a large. Salamat. Okay, so the nuggets are normal, right? And then I didn't even know that they had sweet and sour sauce because I don't go to McDonald's, but apparently they have sweet and sour here. The large fry is for sure a large fry, not Filipino sized fry. There's the regular size, and what else did you get?
A Big Mac.
Big Mac. Okay, you got chicken wings. Ooh, those are pretty decent.
Spicy chicken wings?
Yeah.
McDonald's? Not bad.
Yeah, and then large fry? No, medium.
Regular.
There's a
I don't
different
know.
size than
It's
that
a
one.
completely different size than that. Oh yes, my spaghetti. Oh yes. Salamat po. Oh dear, the big reveal. Oh man, this is gonna come out way worse than it goes in. What the? Oh my god, bro.
Well, no.
JB's trying it first.
No.
No, he's gotta try it.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
That's ketchup, dude. It's definitely
Is
ketchup.
that sausage?
It's a hot. Oh, okay. All right, I might throw up. I might throw up.
What do you want to eat?
All right. McDonald's spaghetti.
Take one.
Literally, there's no drip on it. Here. Let's
It's
go.
got so much sugar in it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can I get
Alright.
extra ketchup?
Nope. It tastes like it has like medicine in it, sort of like a cough.
Make medicine.
Bro,
Big medicine. Oh, you're going with a hefty bite.
It's not
Okay.
good.
That's a brave.
Oh.
That is a brave bite. Right there you go. Spit that out.
What do you think?
It tastes like canned spaghetti.
Is that it?
It tastes like the ravioli in a can.
I don't know. It tastes like it has like 5 grams of sugar in it.
Can I try?
Yeah. You can try it. Go for it.
Super scared.
Make sure you get a little piece of them, whatever that is.
No. I'm not going with that. I just want one noodle.
God, so bad. A noodle. That's not.
That
accurate.
is more than enough.
No. All right. Let's see, Kat. Kat and her one noodle.
No. Absolutely not. I took one tiny segment, didn't even eat one. No. Oh my god, it's foul.
It's so bad.
The
isn't
taste
it?
doesn't go away.
No, it stays there and lingers.
It tastes like SpaghettiOs.
No, it does not.
That's what it tastes
it's
like.
worse.
No. I love SpaghettiOs. It does not taste like
Andy
SpaghettiOs.
loves SpaghettiOs.
I love SpaghettiOs. Any Chef Boyardee product,
Try it.
I love it.
I love SpaghettiOs too. It does not taste like SpaghettiOs. All right, the Big Mac.
Big Mac.
Oh, normal Big Mac. Let's go. I don't need to taste test this because it looks normal. Well, if you wanted to know what the spaghetti was like at McDonald's in the Philippines,
Now you know.
yep, you've been here for a few minutes and now you know. So, thanks for watching.
It's not good.
That's it. Say hi to my mom. Say hi, Chris Ann. Chris Ann, yes, that was perfect. Salamat, Ray. Look at Mr. Pokey. Look at him.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much for 10 kilos of crack? Shipped from New York to Chicago.
10 pesos.
Bet.